Your money isn't safe. Not in your bank, not in your savings account, not even in that guaranteed investment your advisor swears by. In fact, the next economic storm could wipe out what you thought was secure, and most people won't see it coming. Why should you care? Because the systems we trust, banks, markets, governments, they weren't built to protect you. They were built to keep the system running. And sometimes keeping the system running comes at your expense. History isn't subtle. Crashes happen, inflation spirals, bank runs, currency crises, and each time, ordinary people are the first to feel the impact. Here's how it really works. Your bank holds your money, but it doesn't just sit there. It's lent out, multiplied, invested, and then leveraged. Leverage is a fancy word for borrowing to make more money. Sounds smart until it isn't, because leverage amplifies losses too. The same goes for investments. Bonds, stocks, ETFs, they're all connected in ways most people don't see. One failure, one panic, and the effects ripple through the entire system. Central banks step in to stabilize. They print money, lower interest rates, or buy assets. That keeps the system alive, but it doesn't guarantee your savings are safe. Sometimes it just shifts the risk to you. Here's the math no one talks about. Banks are required to hold only a fraction of deposits in reserve. Fractional reserve banking. That means for every $100 you deposit, the bank might only have $10 on hand. The rest lent out, circulating, multiplied. Now imagine a sudden shock. Everyone wants their money at once. The bank doesn't have it. Governments may step in, but that intervention has limits. Your money becomes a part of a larger gamble you didn't agree to. And there's irony here. The very system that promises safety thrives on risk. The higher the risk, the more profit. And you're holding what looks like safety, but it's actually exposure. On TV, headlines scream, "Markets soar, savings safe and secure." But the reality? Inflation quietly eats value. Interest rates may not keep up. The assets you own are part of a global game of speculation, debt, and leverage. The hype makes it easy to relax. The truth? The safety net is more fragile than most realize. And it's not just banks. Governments, pension funds, corporations, they all depend on confidence, liquidity, and trust. When any of these falter, the effects cascade. Your retirement, your home equity, your investments, even cash under the mattress, all subject to shocks you never signed up for. The system works until it doesn't, and history tells us it eventually doesn't. So, the next time someone tells you your money is safe, ask, safe according to whom? Because in the world of finance, safety is never absolute, and sometimes the storm is already brewing.